Hello, this is your Volatility 411 update for Tuesday, November 5th. I am Jermal Chandler. We've got a mixed day for stocks so far in the trading session after another record high in the S&P 500 index yesterday. Investors are digesting earnings from the likes of Uber and Shake Shack late yesterday. Neither one of them are doing well, by the way. We're also waiting any tidbits of news we can get for progress on the trade talks between the U.S. and China. It is believed that China is reviewing locations in the U.S. where President Xi Jinping would be willing to meet President Donald Trump to sign a pact for phase one. So that's a positive sign. In the meanwhile, China's central bank cut interest rate on its one-year loans. This is the first time they've done that since 2016. The move is being viewed as a sign of the Chinese government trying to prop up a slowing economy, which in turn could force their hand in this trade war, so we shall see. With no trade war news, earnings trickling out day after day, and Brexit being pushed back to 2020, that leaves us some pretty tame equity vol. The VIX term structure remains a contango. Currently, as I stand here near the VIX pit, the VIX cash has a reading of 1314. It opened at 1285 and has been as low as 1225 today. We have been in the midst of this 5-week cycle, and now we have 2 weeks left until Nov VIX expiration. The November futures are trading 1490, while the December futures are trading 1637. That's a 10% premium to the Nov. As far as option trades, we're seeing volume in the standard November 20, 25, and 27 calls. More than 30,000 have traded among those strikes. There's some standard December calls that have traded. The December 20, 23, and 30 strikes have been very active. Also seeing some February upside call volume, particularly the February 29 calls. We saw a sell of over 12,000 contracts for 73 cents. So some decent activity among a few expirations here. Some key events for the rest of the week include earnings from SoftBank and BMW on Wednesday. Walt Disney and Toyota report earnings on Thursday. Fed Presidents Charles Evans and John Williams speak at events on Wednesday. The Bank of England has a monetary policy decision on Thursday. Finally, on Friday, the USDA World Agricultural Supply and Demand Estimates, or the WASDE report, for November is due. This will give us an update on the fundamental condition of our agricultural commodity markets. Thanks for watching Volatility 411. See you later.